Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Mazda BT-50, stock number 6746. This ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder diesel turbo engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch 50mm mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch 50mm mega tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch 50mm mega tyre, right front guard with snorkel, right hand headlight, right front 17-inch 50mm mega tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen, single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,